I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in this video I am going to discuss about the positives and negatives of the Tata Nexon. And guys, before starting the video, I have already given you guys a detailed review of the car, so you can basically check out that video by clicking on the link above. Now let's quickly start the video. And guys, before starting the video, which next car do you want to see on the channel, which next topic do you want me to cover on the channel, please do let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely try to make a video on the same. Now without wasting any more time, let's quickly come on to the positives of the Nexon. So the first positive point of the car, which I personally feel, is the ride and handling balance. The ride quality is not very stiff, at the same time it is not very soft as well. It provides you very good ride quality, and what again adds up to the comfort level are the seats on offer. Most of the Tata cars actually get very good quality of seats, so that is the same case with the Tata Nexon as well, that the seat quality is really very good. It provides you good amount of comfort inside the cabin, and the ride quality is very good, I would say, considering compact SUV standards. And guys, the handling of the car is also really very good. When you take it around corners, the feel and feedback which you get from the steering wheel is really very good, and also the steering wheel weighs up pretty well, so that is again a very good thing about the car. The ride and handling balance, definitely Tata Motors has nailed in that particular department, so that is the first positive point of the car which I feel. Now guys, coming on to the second positive point of the car is the 5-star safety rating which the Tata Nexon has got. Now in the NCAP crash test, Tata Nexon has actually scored a strong 5-star safety rating, which definitely tells you that it is a pretty safe car to travel in. So if you are looking out to buy a family compact SUV, then definitely you should consider the Tata Nexon because of its safety. Now in terms of safety features, it definitely gets dual airbags, ABS, EBD, as well as your corner stability control. I wish they would have provided us with 6 airbags in the, at least in the top end variant, but that is not the case. But still, with the 2 airbag variant, the car has managed to score a strong 5-star rating in the NCAP crash test. So definitely it tells you that it is a pretty safe car to travel in. So that is the second positive point of the car, that the Tata Nexon is a pretty safe car to be in. So that is the second positive point. Now guys, coming on to the third positive point of the Tata Nexon, which I personally feel is the diesel engine. Now in the Tata Nexon, you actually get a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel engine, which definitely produces very good amount of power. And if you are an enthusiast, definitely you will definitely like driving the Tata Nexon, especially in the diesel variants, because the turbo lag is very well contained and the engine actually produces very good amount of power. So if you want a punchy diesel mini SUV, then definitely you should consider the Tata Nexon as well. So the third positive point of the Tata Nexon, which I feel, is the diesel engine on offer. Now guys, coming on to the final and fourth positive point of the Tata Nexon, which I feel is the diesel AMT. Now there are a lot of mini SUVs in the Indian market right now, like the Ford EcoSport, Hyundai Venue, Honda WRV as well, and most of the cars, they don't really provide us with an diesel automatic. The only car which provides you diesel automatic is the Tata Nexon and the XUV300. Now I have not really tested the XUV300, so I won't be really able to tell you guys a lot about the car, but these are the only two mini SUVs which you can consider if you want to go with the diesel automatic variants. So if you are in the market to buy a mini SUV, especially in the diesel automatic variants, then definitely you should consider the Tata Nexon. So that is again an advantage, that is again a positive point of the car, that Tata Motors is offering us with a petrol automatic as well as a diesel automatic, which is the AMT gearbox. So guys, these were the 4 positive points of the car. Now let's jump on to the negatives of the Tata Nexon. So the first negative point of the car, which I personally feel, is the blower noise. Now most of the Tata cars actually have this characteristic that the blower actually makes quite a lot of noise, especially when you put it on full speed. So that is something which definitely takes away the calmness and insulation from the cabin. So if you want a calm place inside the car, then you have to actually put the blower at the lowest speed possible. So that is for the first negative which I feel about the car, that the blower actually makes quite a lot of noise in actually most of the Tata cars. So that is an issue which I have faced. So that definitely could have been improved. So that is the first negative point. Now guys, coming on to the second negative point of the Tata Nexon, which I feel is the petrol engine. Now this is not really a very big issue as such. This is not really a deal breaker, because if you are in the market to buy a petrol mini SUV, then definitely you can consider the Tata Nexon if you are a normal regular user. But if you are a car enthusiast, if you have driven a lot of cars before, then definitely you will feel the turbo lag which the petrol engine actually has. So that is one negative point which I thought I should consider in this particular video, that the petrol engine actually has some amount of turbo lag which can be felt. If you are a regular driver, if you are a regular customer, then definitely you won't really feel that much. But if you are a car enthusiast, then definitely you might be able to notice it. So that is the negative point which I feel about the car, that the petrol engine which you get has some amount of turbo lag. The petrol engine which you get is a 1.2 liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine. So that is the second negative point of the car. Now guys, coming on to the third and final negative point of the car, which I feel is the AMT unit which Tata Motors is providing us. Now there are a lot of mini SUVs in the Indian market which provides you very good amount of the pure automatic gearboxes. At the same time, Tata Motors is offering us with an AMT unit. Definitely the AMT unit provides you the convenience, and it also has a manual mode, so you can basically shift it to manual and change gears according to yourself, which is a good thing about the gearbox. But at the end of the day, it is an AMT unit, because of which it has that laggy characteristics, and personally I don't really like the AMT units. Most of the AMT units have the lag. So that is something which I don't really like about the AMTs. On the other hand, there are a lot of mini SUVs which actually provides you with pure automatic gearboxes, like the Ford EcoSport, Hyundai Venue. So all those cars actually provide you with pure automatic gearboxes like DCT and your torque converters as well. So definitely, so guys, these were the 3 negative points of the car. These were the 4 positives and 3 negatives of the Tata Nexon which I feel. And which next car do you want to see on the channel? Please do let me know. I hope you guys like the video. If you have any questions regarding the same or the other, you can definitely ask it to me on my Instagram handle as well as in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer most of your doubts. And guys, I have already made a video on which particular mini SUV should you buy for yourself. So if you are confused between which mini SUV should you go with, on which mini SUV should you put your money on, you can definitely check out that video. I'll probably give that link somewhere over here. You can click on the link and check out that video as well, and that video will surely help you and simplify a few doubts in your mind. So guys, that was about it. I hope you guys liked the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, drive safe, ride safe. Bye bye.